Good morning everybody and welcome to Vlogmas day 23. We are 2 days away from the big day. I'm in my sister's car. Hi. This is Amy, this is my sister. If you've never met my sister, she's called Amy and she lives an hour and a half away from me, so that's why she's not regularly in the vlogs. We are driving to Taunton right now. We're gonna go and see our cousins. I'm starting the vlog, I mean, later is an understatement, much later than I was planning today. I wanted to pack with you this morning, show you what makeup I was taking, but Ratgate took a little bit of a turn for the worse this morning, and Mr. Rodent managed to find an apple and had a field day in my kitchen, so I had to clean that up this morning. Had a minor freak out because I've established it will definitely be a rat if it can move an entire apple as well as an entire bag of oranges. It dragged the whole bag off of the work surface. It's fine, got it. I've got a coffee on my lap. Amy brought me a gingerbread latte to cheer me up. Yeah, so it's gonna be a big boy, I think. So my dad came around this morning because I just basically lost the will to live at this point. I managed to convince myself yesterday that it was only a mouse, but it's definitely not. Thank God I'm not there for the next few days. And he put filler in every hole in the wall. So if it is in my ceiling, it is now trapped inside my ceiling. So if it dies, my house is gonna smell for 3 weeks. But at least it's not running loose in my kitchen anymore because I could not. Yeah, this morning pushed me absolutely over the edge. I also woke up 2 hours after my alarm. My alarm was set for 6. I woke up at actually 8:15, which is again terrible. Not what I needed this morning. Oh, my memory card's about to fill up. 1 second. So yeah, that was my morning. I was then had to push Amy back half an hour to come pick me up. Sorry about that. Sorry about it. But we're on the road now. Only 45 minutes later than we'd hoped. Sorry cousins. Sorry Amy. Sorry literally anyone that I could have disappointed this morning. I have done the lot, so that's really good. We've done it. The car's packed. We're driving home for Christmas. Driving home for Christmas. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna put you down now. I'm gonna eat some festive. Where are they? Oh, they're on the floor. Amy picked up festive Percy pigs. I'm gonna annihilate these. And some mini poppadoms, which is Sophie's favourite. Oh, they are so addictive. They are. What flavour are they?
Just the normal ones. I know there were mango ones as well. That's a bit much.
I think Sophie, are they the normal ones? Yeah, the normal ones with mango chutney. We did a diet swap video.
Oh, cute.
So I had to eat what she ate for a day, and my lunch consisted of 2 pieces of jam toast, loads of poppadoms with mango chutney. What else was it? It was honestly the most bizarre thing I've ever eaten.
I imagine Sophie eats like a bird.
Sophie does eat like a bird. Chicken nuggets for dinner and Cocoa Pops for breakfast because that is her life source. Cocoa Pops every day since she was probably 10.
Wow. Imagine how many boxes she's consumed over the course of those years.
I really wish I knew, because she probably goes through a box a week, max, like minimum, because she has 2 bowls.
Wow.
She like fills up the milk, has the Cocoa Pops, and then she uses the rest of the milk with more Cocoa Pops every morning. It's a lot of Cocoa Pops, it's a lot of sugar. And then it was when I just started my health kick and I was eating like so well. And she was just like not enjoying herself at all. I'm gonna hang up the phone, I mean the camera. I need to sleep. Bedtime for Emma. I'll talk to you when something interesting happens because we're gonna be in the car for the next 2 hours. Bye! 3 and a half. 3.5 hours.
It's gonna be 3, and then the later it got, the longer the journey became.
I'm sorry.
It's getting close.
Fuck! Sorry guys, bye. We've stopped at a service station and it's like they've emptied 10 coaches full of elderly people in here. Honestly.
Did you want to get something?
Yeah, Coke. It is completely rammed. It's not focusing on me. There we go. It is rammed I think everyone's driving home for Christmas, so it's crazy. What do I want? I just want a Diet Coke. Coke Zero Vanilla. Just a Coke for me. I want some sweets. Just the essentials. Where is she? Oh, come on then. And the essentials. We're directly at the source. That was exactly what happened. There are about 10 coaches full of elderly people that have just been let loose on the service station. Our timing was terrible. Oh, hello, little dog. Oh, hello, lovely. Oh, so many dogs. I love service stations because there's... Oh. I was so happy to see him. He did not like me as much as I liked him. When Tim and I drive down to, when we go to Centre Parks, we always stop at one service station because there's always loads of dogs there, because there's a little green where people let their dogs out to walk. So we just sit there and have lunch there and watch. Because we're creepy.
Classic dog creepers.
We are. I'm not broody, but I'm dog broody. I'm gonna neck some Coke. Coca-Cola. There's a rat in my kitchen, what am I gonna do? There's a rat in my kitchen, what
Yes, I realised that woman thought that I was buying lots of Nurofen because I am anticipating being hungover.
Why? Is that what she said?
Well, no, I just said, oh, you know, stocking up on the Christmas Nurofen. She went, oh yeah, thinking about Christmas Day and New Year. I was like, no, just family.
Family. Just dealing with the headache that my family will cause me.
I do need to buy some Advocar for Christmas Day.
We got lemonade.
Oh.
And now
buy some
lemonade.
Advocar and lemonade.
Oh yeah, I need to buy some vodka. I am Bridget Jones on Christmas Day. Just sat there taking shots in her bedroom.
I'm going in with the intention that we're going to have a really lovely Christmas.
That's all you can do really, isn't it? Give me some twirls. I am going to probably gain back all of the weight that I lost in the past 6 months over the next 3 days. Can't wait. Did it. Amy did it. We've arrived. We're here. Here's our little what would you call it? A little cottage? Yeah. A little cottage. We have a hot tub. I did pack my bikini, so that's very exciting. When would we go in it though? We could always see if Molly and Sam wanted to come. Hot tub party. Yeah. We're gonna now have a look inside. I'll give you guys a little tour. I think it's just like a one bed, like one room little situation, so it will be a very brief tour, but I'll show it to you anyway. We've got through all of the car snacks. We've been in the car for how many hours?
Well, we left at 11:15 and it's now 4, so nearly 5 hours.
Nearly 5 hours. Hello! The nice man is here. One sec. So we just got into our little cottage. It's super cute. So here's our little kitchen. Ooh. Little kitchen, and they've left us a pack of heroes and some homemade flapjacks. So kind. Oh, can't open that. Very excited about those. And then here's our little room. 2 singles, that's mine, and the hot tub is out there. Amazing, just what we need. I'm gonna try the flapjack.
Okay.
The flapjacks are good.
Yeah?
Santa Claus is coming to town. Amy's got a box of presents. I got a bag of presents. We are the Merry Christmas elves. The merriest of elves. Not yet, but I'm planning on being very soon. And we're gonna go, well, I'm gonna go and meet the baby. I've never met the baby before. Baby Ralph. I really hope Ralph likes his present. He won't really understand what it is. But as long as it feels nice, that's all that matters. Hello, Poppet. How are you? Oh, lovely girl. Have you lost all the attention because there's baby Ralphie? Oh, yes. I'll give you some love. Yes, I will.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. For every year this Christmas tree brings to us such joy and glee. Oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me.
Oh, Sam. He did, and I really, my cousin Sam used to have a YouTube channel, and he said he was going to post travel vlogs, and he never did. And I
take the piss, and I think they used to put it on when they were having priests, and now he had to find.
My friends do that to me all the time. Oh, Sam.
Yeah.
Oh, babe. Anyway, got some G&Ts. Food is on the way. Absolutely thrilled. We're having pizza. I'm gonna eat so much food. Just so I can enjoy camera, don't mind me.
No.
Oh boy. Hello, Mish Mish. Misty. Misty Moo. Misty Moo, I love you. Oh, she's so lovely. Oh my god.
Cracking potatoes.
Oh, I cannot wait to eat. Look how lovely and festive this place looks. This is where we're staying. It's so festive. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Alright everyone, we're back. I met baby Ralph. Oh my god, he's so cute. Is it not locking? Absolutely adorable. So sweet, such a good boy, best boy. And I was reunited with Misty the dog. Misty's a Labradoodle, right? Yeah. Misty the Labradoodle, gorgeous. It is now 10:10. Amy and I have come back to our little cottage because Molly and Jack have gone to bed and everyone is winding down because we're getting ready for our crazy Christmas. So we're coming home for a nice early night, and I'm going to import the footage from today and actually try and get as much of it edited now so that I don't have to wake up as early in the morning. We're going for breakfast with our cousins in the morning, and then we're going for drinks and lunch with Molly's friends, which will be really, really nice. So we're gonna probably sign off the vlog now because I'm just going to be editing all evening. I don't know how long this vlog is because we spent 5 hours of it in the car, so probably not the most thrilling of vlogs, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow for Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve tomorrow. Goodbye. Say goodbye.